Legal challenges to Idaho's new abortion laws are starting to make their way through our courts. Eyewitness News 3's Seth Ratliff shows us what happened during a key hearing at the state Supreme Court today.
Planned Parenthood has petitioned for the court to pause Idaho's abortion ban set to go in effect on August 25th. The so-called trigger laws were intended to restrict abortions when the United States Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade. On Wednesday, the group's attorney Alan Schoenfield asked the court to block enforcement of the ban. He argued the law's language is intentionally vague to discourage all abortions.
Take the first offense, which is available when an abortion is, quote, necessary to prevent the death of a pregnant woman. That language gives no indication of how imminent or substantial the risk of death must be in order for the provider to feel confident that he can provide an abortion without risking prosecution, jail, and professional sanction. Must the woman's death be certain? Must it occur the next day or week?
Schoenfield further argued that the laws violate the right to privacy written into Idaho's Constitution. Deputy Attorney General Megan Lorando represented the legislator. She argued that the court should interpret the Constitution the way the drafters intended.
Ultimately, the question is, what did the framers intend when they drafted the Idaho Constitution? And there is no way that the drafters of the Idaho Constitution were thinking that they were enshrining something as a fundamental right that was criminally prohibited at the time that they were drafting the document.
With Roe v. Wade being overturned only a month ago, justices asked if the circumstances call for more time to consider the bill.
Does the fact that we're talking about a right that we acknowledge at one time was considered to be fundamental and is now not, does that not create the type of extraordinary circumstance that would cause us to stay this and take a good look at it before we move forward?
The court is expected to announce their verdict before the law goes into effect. Reporting in Boise, I'm Seth Ratliff.